Now, let's explore one of the most powerful AI-based features in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026, the Object Mask tool. Traditionally, masking required manually drawing shapes around subjects, but with the Object Mask tool, Premiere can now detect objects automatically, generate masks instantly, track movement using AI. This dramatically speeds up professional workflows. First, let's play the clip. In this example, we want to blur this man entirely. Select the clip on the timeline. Now click the Object Mask tool. When we click it, Premiere scans the frame and displays selectable regions based on detected objects. As you hover over the clip, you'll notice an overlay highlight showing the detected object areas. Simply click on the subject you want to select. Premiere will automatically create a mask. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Click Track Mask. Premiere will analyze the motion and make the mask follow the subject automatically. Now we have a perfectly tracked mask. Next, go to the Effects panel. Search for Mosaic. Drag the mosaic effect onto the clip. Now return to the Effect Controls panel. Adjust the mosaic settings to control the pixelation strength. Increase the mask feather to create softer edges for a more natural look. And now, let's play the clip. As you can see, the subject is fully blurred and the mask follows the movement smoothly. So that's the complete overview of the Object Mask tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. Instead of spending time manually drawing masks, we can now create professional results with just a few clicks. Automatic masking is perfect for fast workflows, while manual refinements give us full creative control when needed.